more to save. And we didn't save any of them. Come on. Come on, give it to me. Me. Come on, you can do it.
Alright, we are back at the Tiger, what's it called? Tiger and Dragon Super Gong. This is made by IGT, and we are going to continue our $20 challenge. We have put $20 in the machine, and we're going to start on, what do you want to start on, Mom? I like this machine. I have a lot of fun on it, especially when those tiger and dragons go off at the same time. Oh, it is fun. So if you get 3 of the tigers or 3 of the dragons, it will automatically set them off. But you only have to get 1, and it can randomly set them off. And then we have this gong thing. And whenever you get 5 of those little coin-looking things with the numbers on them, it adds more to the gong, and eventually, randomly, it releases it.
The male supervisor?
Oh, come on, gong. Could have went now. Oh, I'm still betting on $1. Come on. Well, what do you think, Mom? Should we put 20 more in it? Or should we let it be? We're going to stick with $1. Oh, could have gave it to it. Come on, takey, takey, boom. It has a random that just like fog comes across the screen and changes the screen, and then you get something. It also has this blue gong thing. You can kind of see it right here. It's really cool when you land one of those. Give me 6 of them, you know. It was not very nice. I'm gonna try to. Maybe it won't let us. Oh, I see. You could have let that gong go there. Come on, blue there. Something, keep us alive. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. You know, gong, you could have let that thing go. Oh, that hurt. Well, that's it. We're out. Alright, well, thank y'all very much, and that's going to be the end of this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Alright. The next one will be the chickens. Alright, so we have ended up on Jackpot Chase Puppy Park. Alright. Put our $20 and a 5-cent one we had in the machine. And I'm going to start on 2 cents just to see what it is. We've never played this game before. We're not real sure what you have to do. Okay, got a wild. Got 240 out of it. Not bad. Okay. the next one. Didn't really like that one very much.